Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today let us learn how to turn off Instagram notification on iPhone. To do so, open settings on iPhone and then find Instagram. You can do it by searching it below by scrolling down, or you can also search Instagram on top search field. Then open it. Now you can see you can control everything from here. To turn off the Instagram notification, tap on notification and then you will see allow notification with toggle icon that is turned on. Tap on the toggle icon to turn it off and then all the Instagram notification will be turned off. Now you won't receive any notification from Instagram application then onwards. So that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching the video till the end. And let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you, and please do subscribe for similar contents.